So, happy Father's Day. Today I'm going to show you a little project to make these two little Lego Jeeps, one little one and one big one. Alright, so first let's look at this little one. Basically, it's got the license plate and the gas can on the back and the spare tire. And this one has these special little pieces here that give it the solid axle articulation. So you get nice fun things like doing, 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 doing. This is a fun one. Alright, so obviously if you're building something that's not blue, you would use all of these blue pieces as another color. So maybe like red. I don't know. That's basically your base there. And spare tire goes on the back there, like that. And then what you need is your lights. So generally speaking, we're going to put the backup lights low and the stop lights up high, like so. And then we've got a back window, and then this guy here is for holding the spare tire, and just use like a little wrench. These little wrenches or hands, they do kind of hold a regular tile piece like that. Then back corner, and then these little guys for windows. And these things here are basically these hinge pieces, and we're going to use those as mirrors, like so. Okay, so there's the basic platform. Now to stick the roof on, we want kind of a block in the middle and a couple of tiles. If you don't have these pieces, you can use ones with studs on them. Now, I had to draw this. This is the grill, and I just used a Sharpie. Eee. Okay, so far so good. Wheels. How do you attach wheels? And the thing is, on a Jeep, the wheels are really, really close to the corners. So I'm going to show you a little trick there for that. I'm going to leave one space at the front, 2 spaces at the back. Okay, so that's what we've got so far. Anyway, okay, so let's make ourselves a little platform for wheels. Da, 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 da. And this is the back, and this is the front. Now, with those guys, it allows me to stick it on underneath here, not oriented where the normal studs go, but offset by 1. So not there, but there. Anyway, we'll do that in a minute. Let's make our front bumper. Now, this is a bit tricky, and you don't have to do this. This is made from the bottom of a Costco package of ham slices. It's just a nice thin black plastic, and basically I made a little template where I cut out holes for the studs, and these become the fenders. Okay. Stick the bumper on. Stick the back bumper on. wheels. Again, if you don't have these, you can use regular wheels with just like a couple of layers of panels there. All right, now because of these pieces, it's not going to align regularly with the studs. They actually go into the holes that are running down the middle of the plate, and that offsets it by half a stud, which just lines up the wheels nicer in the corners. Squish. Now, we absolutely have to have rock rails. So a couple more clips, and this little bar here is the same piece as the bumper. I just used my Swiss Army knife to cut it a little shorter. 3 studs long instead of 4 studs long. Was that ever cute? Make your driving sounds with your mouth. Nice. All right, this guy is mini figure scale. So, got a removable roof, of course, and Mr. Dude in there giving the old Jeep wave. He's got his toolbox in there. He's got his gas can on the back, and of course he's hardcore, so he has a chainsaw on his roof. And this guy also has, articulating suspension. It's very fun to make him flex. So basically, you can do this however you want, but I'll show you how I did it. This requires a lot more specialized pieces. You need a little bit of technique. Okay, so down the middle, we just have one long rod. That one is 12. And up here we have these fancy Technic pieces that are rubber. And here we have what are called bearing plates. So these guys go up in here, and underneath they prevent the wheels from doing this too much, but the axle itself that connects the front and the back, because of its sponginess and because it has natural flex, it provides all the suspension that the model needs. You also kind of need a lot of specialized parts. You need these tile pieces and black round ones and this like winch piece. So I'm not going to go into too much detail about the instructions. Right, it's got a trail rated badge. It's got the rear view mirrors. It's got opening doors. Chainsaw up top. Yeah, it's just a fun little project. Whee! Yeah, there he is, flexing out, having a good time, rock crawling.